Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We got some breaking news today. YouTube has finally partnered with Shopify to bring in an integration into their platform. So that is a great, huge opportunity for those of you content creators who are looking to make money off your merch. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, definitely hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm going to give you some pros and cons on this new integration. So the new partnership with YouTube and Shopify is grand, and I'm liking the direction that they're going in, and I have some amazing pros about this that I believe will be music to your ears, and we're going to get right into it. So the first pro that we have is that you can link products directly inside of your video. So you don't have to tell your viewers to go to the link in the description. They can just click right on the little part in the video and just shop your products right there. And also at the bottom of the video there should be a grid of your products that are from your Shopify store. The next pro is that Shopify is easy to use. It's very user friendly. I recommend it to anyone who wants to have an online store and wants to do e-commerce. To me, it's by far the best e-commerce platform that we have today. And if you haven't already signed up for your Shopify account, I will have a link in the description where you can go to click and sign up for your free Shopify store and go ahead and get started by adding your products on there. And the next pro is that it's going to be a great customer buying experience. It's going to be easy for the customer to go ahead and purchase your products. All you have to do is just click a button and they're right there. And YouTube also stated that they can go ahead and shop your products within the app, so they don't even have to leave the app. That right there is a game changer. We all know that the shorter the customer journey to purchase your product, the more sales you're gonna make with ease. So definitely don't sleep on this new integration that has come out today. And there's a couple of cons, which are not huge cons. The only thing is that in order for you to use this YouTube and Shopify integration, you will have to be a part of the YouTube partner program. So you will have to be monetized, which means you will have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 12 months. And also with the Shopify, it's not free. You will have to pay at least $29 a month with their basic plan in order for you to use their platform to sell your products on there, which will not be a huge deal, especially with this integration and the ease for the customers to buy your products. So that's all I have for today. There will be a link in the description of the video directly from the YouTube Creator Insider, and that'll give you more details on how to set it up and all of the features that are involved. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you tune into this video right here, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.